But now, Connecticut's Attorney General is sounding the alarm over the harmful effects the app is having on our youth. So joining us right now is Attorney General William Tong, who's going to speak with us about this today. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thanks, Jen. Thanks for having me.
So, Attorney General Tong, you say that the app is harmful to youth. We're seeing this devious licks challenge. We're seeing vandalism among schools. Is it just this one particular challenge, or are you saying the app is harmful in a multitude of ways?
I'm saying that TikTok has to take action right away to stop these challenges, these videos from proliferating all over their platform. TikTok is dominant. If you have teenage kids like I do, you know that it's everywhere. And while TikTok started as kind of a funny dance thing, this is not funny anymore. When New Britain High School literally had to shut down, was torn apart by the devious licks challenge, and now the slap a teacher challenge, which can be very dangerous, not just to the individual teacher, but I think we're concerned can lead to larger chaos and mayhem in a very dangerous situation.
I saw that you are asking TikTok leadership to come to Connecticut to talk about the app. Have you gotten a response?
Yes, we did get a response. They've reached out as of this afternoon, and we've gotten responses, frankly, from them before, and Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. What I don't want are policies and procedures and legal language and sort of vague assurances that they're doing the best they can. I want to know specifically what they're doing to monitor their platform, to take these videos down ASAP, and to control the traffic on their platforms. It's not good enough to say we didn't put it up there, somebody else did. They bear a responsibility to protect our children and our families here in Connecticut.
Attorney General Tong, is it just you against a huge social media platform, or have you spoken to other attorneys general around the country who feel the same way?
We're talking to many of our sister states and my fellow attorneys general. As you may know, we've sued Google on a 50-state basis. We've sued Facebook. Those are two antitrust cases. I've taken very strong action against Facebook and Instagram for misinformation and disinformation, particularly around COVID and vaccines. This is part of that work in keeping our families and children safe here in Connecticut.
Attorney General, I want to ask you a question about the vaccine mandate. We know we have that deadline for state employees tonight at midnight, ticking down right now, and you defend the state against lawsuits, and we know that you've been involved in several of the executive orders with the governor having these extended powers. So does the state have a strong leg to stand on? There are questions that arise right now about the constitutionality of a government mandating its citizens take a vaccine.
There's just no question. This law rests on a very sound foundation, and frankly, it's been the law of the land for more than 100 years. The very first case, one of the very first cases, Jacobson versus Massachusetts, was a mandatory vaccination case from Massachusetts. There's just no question the governor has broad authority, the state has broad authority to require state employees to get vaccinated or to test. And that's why we haven't lost a single case yet since COVID started, because there's just no question about the authority of the state and the governor to keep people safe here in Connecticut and to help save lives.
Attorney General William Tong on vaccine mandates here in the state and on TikTok challenges. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.